Yes, I think this is fine now. I think this should be fine. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. Yes, Amrita Rahima. Thank you so much. Yes, I hope everyone had a very good Onam vacation, especially people in Kerala. All the Malayalis and the others also had a very fine weekend as well. That's what at least what I hope. And welcome to Fab Nifty analysis of the benchmark indices Nifty, Sensex, and Bank Nifty for week two, the first day of week two in September. And another day of probably disappointment in the rally is in the market is what I can say. Yes, good evening, Neju as well. So we have again uh, consolidated win in a strict range. The high made today is at around 24,885 and the low is 24,750. So it's a 130 points movement intraday in Nifty. Nifty did open slightly gap down. So I'll just go to the 5-minute chart. So sorry, Nifty did open slightly gap up and uh, took support at yesterday's closing, somewhere near yesterday's closing, and it then moved up to 24,000, close to 24,900, but could not sustain because there was enough selling pressure. And that happened almost towards the end of the day at around 245, and we closed at around 24,775, 775 ranges. And so we are still again stuck in a very wide consolidating range. So the market is consolidating, but with some amount of volatility as well. So for if I keep the lines here, so we can see the market has consolidated in this range for quite a long time. It did give a breakout which it could not sustain, and the high made here was around 25,650, 650 ranges. But the 25,200 to 24,330, 24,330 to 25,200 is where we have been trading for almost, except let's say for this 1 week or 6 to 7 trading days since 12th of May, since almost 12th of May to now 8th of September. So that is June, July, August, September, that is almost 4 months now. So this is not some sort of consolidation we get to see every time in the market. So we are heavily consolidating. The same goes with Sensex as well. Sensex has also been consolidating in this range. So I'll just quickly delete all the drawings. Yes. So Sensex has also been consolidating in this range of 82,750 range to 79,800s. Okay, so the 79,800 to 82,750. Of course, the range is not very small, but we have not got a breakout or a breakdown from that levels also. Uh, it is also interesting to note that Bank Nifty has been underperforming Nifty. So for the past, let's say 1 month or so, and that was evident in the daily chart, everyday chart of Bank Nifty as well. The main important point to note today is the rally of automobile sector, mainly down to the GST reforms. So you can see the automobile sector today has rallied almost 3.3 percentage, and that has also reflected in Tata Motors moving up by almost 4 percentage. I could see M&M, Maruti, Bharat Forge was the leading stock in automobile sector, which I think rose almost by 6 percentage. So again, Bank Nifty has been underperforming, and I think yes, Bank Nifty has performed at par with Nifty today. And the most underperforming sector today was Nifty IT, probably due to the rumor that even services could come under tariffs. As of now, Trump has only imposed tariff on goods, but it might get extended to services as well. In that case, all the IT sector which offer products as their services, they could also get affected. Let's quickly check at the open interest data for tomorrow's expiry. So the highest call OI buildup stands at 25,000. followed by 24,900. So 24,900 is to act as a resistance, followed by 25,000, and 25,100 will also be a support, will also be a resistance technically, though not very evidently visible in the open interest chart. 25,100 range has a very good amount of resistance, is a very good resistance, because in this range for the, let's say, past around 30 or let's say past 50 trading sessions, the number of times you have closed above 25,100 is actually few. We have managed to close about 25,100 is actually few. So 25,100, again it is this level. The high made here in this candle is 25,153. So the 25,100 to 200 levels could be crucial, and for the same reason I have shorted in my positions. I have shorted 25,100 as well as 25,150 call of tomorrow's expiry, and that is to yield me around I think 0.3% profit somewhere. Okay, so the open interest stands like this, and that for Sensex, the highest call away buildup is at 81,000 followed by 81,500 as expected. Let's also quickly look at the major indices across the globe. Yeah, while that gets loaded, let's go take a look at the FIDA data. Yes, analysis, FIDA data. So FIA is 8th of September today has also sold 2,170 crore worth shares. So they are bearish in the cash segment, as they have been for almost the entire, let's say, past year or so. FIAs have bought futures, but only 55 is the OI change, negligibly, absolutely nothing in futures. FIAs have bought calls and they have sold puts today. They have bought puts today. They have bought calls and they have bought puts. So at least they are slightly bullish in the option segment as well. Let's go take a look at the global markets. So US is trading slightly positive. Dow Jones up 0.2%, S&P 500 0.36, and Nasdaq is trading 0.76%, which could be indicative that our IT segment could be trading well below Nifty tomorrow, because we have been negatively correlating with the global markets. Again, left to see what happens tomorrow. Germany, Great Britain, as well as France, all trading positive. So the Europe is trading slightly positive in the green, and Asia is trading slightly in the green segment as well. So Asia is also trading higher, but not significantly higher. So if we go take a look at the SGX Nifty, is trading 0.15% up, which is only around 38 to 40%, 40 points. So we might get to see a flat to slightly gap up opening tomorrow as things stand. And there have been cues that Trump, it's not just a cue, but it is a fact that Trump has now posted that Modi is a great friend of mine, he's a great prime minister, and our ties with India are really strong. So some sort of ice being melted between Trump as well as Trump with his relations to India. So we might get to see some positivity. And the 50% tariff, if the 25%, the additional 25% which was imposed on 27th of August, if that is to be reversed, then we could see some amount of good positivity in the market, and even the auto sector could also be very healthily benefited from that decision. Let's wait to see if that happens, in fact that happens or not, right? So again, that is left to that one man who decides most of the people's portfolio across the globe. So no more comments on those things. Let's quickly wind up the session. We'll also take a look at the stock market calendar, which are the important upcoming events. So nothing hugely significant upcoming in India. Yeah, the inflation rate is to be announced for August, is to be announced on 12th of September after the market hours. So the stock results calendar, 8th of, so most of the results are also out. Our results are not bad this time. So those are the things to be noted, and the key levels to watch out for Nifty for tomorrow. We'll quickly go to the 15-minute chart. Obviously, the day's high at around 24,900 will be a crucial level. 24,900 is to be watched out. If we can get to the 25,100 levels, expect profit booking. Expect profit booking 100 to 150 levels. Serious profit booking can kick in. There is less of a chance that we might rally 200 or 250 points just like that for tomorrow. But again, that is left to the market. So that's it for the post-market analysis of Nifty, Sensex as well as Bank Nifty for 8th of September. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do follow us in all of our social media handles, social media channels. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do that soon. So till we meet again in tomorrow's live trading session, take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.